Reynald John A. Saldivar and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today, we will solving a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And now, let's go!
In solving 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, there are three primary components. These are centerpiece, edge piece, and lastly the corner piece. First step we should do is the white cross on the bottom. First we make flower using yellow centerpiece and the 4 white edge piece. After you complete the flower, align the edges to their similar colors and rotate it 180 degrees to the white centerpiece. And repeat the process. Second step is to solve the edges of the middle layer. First is find an edge that have same color both side of the middle layer and rotate up, side down, like this, and repeat the process. Third step is to solve the bottom layer. For this portion, find a corner that have same color to the upper middle layer and apply the right or left algorithm, which is up, left, down, right, react 1 to 5 times, or otherwise use this one too. Left up, left down, left up, double left down, or a right up, right down, right up, double right down, until you get the same color of the bottom corner just like this. And repeat the process. Fourth step is the yellow cross. For this portion, find an upper edge that have yellow facing in front and rotate like this, and apply again the algorithm move until you get the yellow cross. Just like this. Fifth step is the top layer. For this step, we call it fish move, and the move for this is face to the head of a fish and move up, right, down, left, down to overcome the top layer, like this. Last and final step to solve a Rubik's Cube. For this step, face the opposite position of the finished surface and rotate twice and move the same color of the edge and move the center and move right twice and down the center and move to the left. And there you have it, you solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube.
And that's end of our tutorial. I hope you learned something today. Until next time, bye!